Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the perfect animal company tips. Okay guys, if you just go to Creative 5, if you're in the public, so no one robs your stuff. This guy's not grabbable, but I wondered what it was. If you go over to Creative 5, you might be able to see that, yeah, it's basically, it's not full or anything. If you use your 2 grapplers, you could plop that on there, or probably 3 grapplers, or probably 4 grapplers. If you want to go insane with it, you can turn into Spider-Man. Second useful item is the iPad. If you're in a private and you don't know where your friends are, you can't use a walkie-talkie. Use this because it's a bigger map. If I compare the maps, you can only see me, and on here you can see me and other people. The second useful item is a flashlight, a mega flashlight, because it can do anything. It can see anything. And then this. You say you want to turn into anything, but boom, you want to turn into the broccoli. I don't want to be a broccoli forever. No. Okay, how to become big. The broccoli helps you actually to be invincible. It helps you to be invincible, at any times. And second, you're gonna become small. Just grab a pink broccoli. And then, yeah. Second of all, is this isn't an item, but it is the machine, like the machine thing. You can save builds that you have. I built this, as you can see here. Like basically, yeah, it's a red flashlight, and it glows. The boombox doesn't glow, which is so annoying. So, yeah. Second useful place is the home. The home is really useful because when you're doing role plays and school role plays, you could just stick an iPad here and then do your homework. Second useful item, another useful item, is not an item actually. It is the office and city. And also